Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. The first message today is, in quiet I receive God's words today. True prayer must avoid the pitfall of asking to entreat. Ask rather to receive what is already given, to accept what is already there. Let's see the second message now. The age of light. You've been training for this for lifetimes. Mystics and sages throughout the ages have predicted this period in history, and you decided to incarnate in the middle of it. There is no mistake that you are supposed to be here at this time of great change. If you ever feel unprepared or daunted by the path that is calling you, know this. You've been training for this for lifetimes. You are way more than the days that have breathed through you in this life. You're also all of the lifetimes that came before. All of those experiences have polished your soul into the most magnificent expression that is your authentic self. Your soul has many facets. Imagine a fingerprint. Your soul is 1,000,000 times more intricate than that. If you put together all of the fingerprints of all of the people you have been, you would not even get close to fathoming how much of a unique masterpiece you are. You came in with a clear soul plan. You came in with the wisdom beyond your years. This is the part of you that longs to be seen. This is the part of you that is ready to step forward, that is ready to emerge. This is not the lifetime to stay hidden, but to step forth, be seen and rise. This is an activation card. Work your light activation is, hold your hands on your heart and say, I call forth the soul gifts and soul training that I have received throughout all of my lifetimes. I am ready to embody them all. Now, without hesitation and without fear, I have been training for this for lifetimes. You are a light worker and you are here for a reason. You have incarnated here at this time when the earth is ascending with a clear soul plan. You have to remember who you are. You have to express your truth. You have to express your authentic self without fear, because you've been training for this for lifetimes. When we came here, when we incarnated on earth, we forgot who we are, our true nature. But we are here to remember that, and we are here to bring light, anchor light on earth and take earth into next vibration level. And this is your soul remembrance. So at any point, if you feel any doubt or fear, you can take your hands on your heart and say that I call forth and I remember my soul's training. I remember my soul's power. I remember my soul's gifts. And I'm ready. I'm ready for the light. So beautiful and so powerful messages today. That's all for today. Lots of love.